The 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.